We are at the Riparian Observatory here in Gilbert, Arizona. I am taking my stepson Jaden, who's up there ahead of me. This is where we always, you know, just come over here and watch the, um, the stars, the moon. Ooh, there's a lot of ducks down there. What a beautiful view. And see that tree right there? They're walking in the water. Alright, I'm gonna try to climb the tree. Okay, I'm gonna climb the tree. I need to slow down. I don't wanna lose my balance. It's so pretty up here. Ooh. Fireworks have started. Alright, I'm gonna start getting down now.
It's just a very tiny detail.
Come on, bunnies. Oh, you're too fast. Don't run away from me. We're walking around. It's 100 degrees right now. It's probably 6 o'clock at night. And
Lumbering around.
I did not say that. You said that. Lumbering. What?
It means like walking.
like a penguin? Yeah,
No, not waddling. It's like walking.
lumbering. I've never heard of that word, lumbering.
Like walking lazy.
Lazy. All right. So we are enjoying our walk here in Riparian, Gilbert, Arizona. I am with my stepson Jaden and my husband Bob. It's beautiful, but it's hot. We are waiting for the fireworks, but I guess we came so early. Whew. It's hot. Hotter than Philippines. But at least this hot is dry. Philippines is so wet, soaked and wet and sticky. And I'm gonna go and show you the place here. It's beautiful. The lake here in Riparian. That's Jojoba or Jojoba or Jojoba, however you pronounce it. So this is the Jojoba. Wow. Crazy. Okay. It's so pretty in here. It's still very hot. And like Jaden says, he's lumbering around in my footage of my vlog. Anyhow, we're enjoying. Ah, look at those beautiful bunnies. Woo! Don't run away. Hey, hey, come here. See all those bunnies? They're all over the place. Take a look at this red thing. What are those? They're dying. Oh my god. That is. Oh. Man, that can get burned so fast. fire hazard. See that? That is a fire hazard. Anyway, right here. Look at this. Danger, danger. You look at the ground cracking. Oh, looky, looky. Pretty. We're entering into woods where we have to duck down. It smells here like chicken, piggery, or poultry, bird's poop, I guess. We have to duck down because of. Oh, this looks like a. Look at this. Hey, you're scaring me, Jaden. Look, this looks like it looks like worms. Ah, does it look like worm? What was it? It's crazy. It looks like worms. We're finally out. Woo, that was fun.